The longest minute ever. Hello, hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I'll be doing a different kind of wash in the Samsung wash machine. In today's video I'll be washing my soft toys. Yes, soft toys. So I've got Mr. Teddy, who is a very old teddy. Mr. Duck, much newer toy, quite a large toy. I'm not sure it's going to fit in the drum, but we'll find out. Probably have to do one at a time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wash them on a delicate wash because I can't read the label on the old soft toy. It's very difficult to read that. And on the larger toys, you can see there it says to hand wash the toy. However, I'm going to choose the delicate option cycle on the Samsung wash machine. Okay, first things first, let's see if they fit in. Yes, the big one does fit in. I'm going to try and squeeze the small one in. Yes, they both fit in.
Let me out!
Okay, so I'm going to put a bit of detergent in the dispenser drawer. I'm going to put Vanish in the dispenser drawer as well. And I'm also going to add a bit of conditioner. And I'm going to select the delicate wash cycle. And that will only take 35 minutes to do. The temperature can go up to 40 degrees, but I don't want to risk it. So I'm going to select 20 degrees, the lowest temperature, at 2 rinses. Yeah, the maximum you can do on the delicate cycle is 400 RPM. And yep, that's going to take 35 minutes. So let's begin. Fingers crossed. Oh. This has got to be the longest minute ever. It's still on the minute. Still waiting on that minute to end, and when's it gonna come? It's been stuck on a minute for like 20 minutes, I think. Not another malfunction, I hope. Or is that just the delicate cycle? Comments below. I don't know how much longer I can stay in this position, holding the camera. I wish I put my camera on a tripod now. I don't remember the delicate wash lasting this long. As I said, it's been stuck on 1 minute for like literally 20 minutes. Okay, it looks like I'm going to have to step in. It just won't stop. I'm just going to switch it off. Oh, gosh. Voila. And we have delivered a baby duck. Okay, the teddy bear is soaking wet, so I'm going to do a rinse and spin. And that's going to take 20 minutes, Teddy. Oops. I should have done a drain and spin.
Drain and spin, 14 minutes.
Poor Teddy.
Sorry, Teddy, from the bottom of my heart. I shall never forgive you. Never forgive you.
This is stuck on 9, so I'm going to switch it off, take the teddy out and just let him dry outside in the sun. So let's switch it off. And out. Oh, it's soaking wet, even more than before. Okay, I'm just going to end this video there. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Never forgive you.